Connected to Wi-Fi, but still no internet on Windows 11? Try this quick fix. First, click Start and search View Network Connections. Open it. Right-click your Wi-Fi adapter and choose Properties. Now double-click Internet Protocol version 4, also called TCP/IPv4. Select Use the following DNS server addresses and enter 8888 and below it 8844. Then press OK and test your internet again. Still not working? Click Start and search CMD. Right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. Now type netsh winsock reset. Press Enter, restart your PC, and your Wi-Fi should now be working again.